6.4 liter 392 Rubicon. Here we go. Cold start. Woo! What's better than a cold start? It's frozen. We got freezing rain. 6.4 liter 392 Rubicon. Here we go. Cold start. Woo! Like it's frozen. How nice is that though, huh? 392 Rubicon 2026 Moab edition. Gotta get it in the garage. Everything is frozen. I'm just gonna warm it up. It is getting warmed up actually. It's perfect. Let it warm up a bit and then I'll bring it in the garage. But man, that sound never gets old. But see the difference? Look, performance exhaust on and off. You can hear it. You can hear the difference. And then on, then it opens back up. Man, it's a beast. It's a monster. Man, gonna lock it, let it warm up, and then I'll bring it in the garage. Look, I can't even lock it. There we go.